Really nice. We're going to be seeing overcast skies. And again, those clouds were pretty thick a good part of the morning. A little bit of some sprinkles and some drizzle. But again, our stretch of, I think it's going to be, tomorrow will be 48 days in a row with no measurable amount of rain. That will be intact. We could be seeing that streak break, but looking at some, a quick look at the latest model runs, it doesn't look like we're going to be seeing much of a threat of rain. We will see some cool starts, though. That'll be nice. But again, we're going to gradually see our temperatures warm up, Blair. So enjoy the low 70s that we're experiencing right now. And we're going to be looking at daytime highs flirting with the mid 80s heading into tomorrow. But again, kind of impressive that we're going to be that warm considering how cloudy it's going to be, similar to what we saw earlier today. We saw a high of 84 degrees at PDX, and here in downtown Portland we clocked in at 81, but a few spots got close to the upper 80s, close to 90 in a few spots. Again, the thunderstorms move into the eastern side of the state heading into tomorrow afternoon and tomorrow night, so be aware of that. Is concerned, of course, just how dry things are, and these aren't going to be producing a lot of measurable amount of rain, unfortunately. So there could be the concern of some wildfires starting for some of these lightning strikes. But very comfortable temperatures next week. That changes though by Friday. I'll show you that in the 7-day forecast. But on the satellite and radar, yeah, we're looking at dry conditions. Earlier this afternoon through parts of Lakeview and southern Oregon, there was a good amount of storms moving through with some thunderstorms. Again, we'll be experiencing that again heading into tomorrow. So we'll zoom through tomorrow morning. Here we are, some thick cloud cover mainly throughout the northern part of the metro area, and then by the afternoon, Baker City, again near Pendleton along I-84, the Oregon-Idaho border, could see some light showers possible and thunderstorms. Will clear out late tomorrow night, and again a weak disturbance kind of brushes on by heading into Monday morning, bringing another chance of some light rain. But when I say light rain, this model, last night was saying there's going to be close to a quarter of an inch of rain. I was kind of thinking to myself, I don't think that's going to happen. And now as we look at the latest runs, we're barely going to see anything add up in the bucket. But we are tracking, again, that smoke that's getting poured in from that Lane County into central and eastern side of the state. Because of that, you have that air quality warning in effect until tomorrow afternoon at 3 o'clock. Temperature-wise, we're in the low 80s at PDX, a little bit cooler in Aurora, and then a lot of locations saw temperatures close to 90. McMinnville over in Wine Country, 87, Vancouver, 83, and along the east side of the Columbia River Gorge, the Dalles, you saw temperatures right around 85 degrees. Again, the thunderstorm threat will be along the central and eastern side of the state. Now I kind of want to talk about the tropical threat. We have Hurricane Dora out here that's going to just kind of brush by, parts of Hawaii. It shouldn't impact the folks on the island, but then we also have Tropical Storm Eugene that's moving in through parts of the west side of Mexico. So kind of something to keep our eyes peeled on over the next couple of days. And keeping our eyes peeled is the heat. So we'll go through the next couple of days, very comfortable conditions. But again, later part of next weekend is when we could be seeing our temperatures jump up into the upper 80s to low 90s. And the day planner for tomorrow, temperatures right around 70 degrees to start things off. Pockets of some sprinkles and some drizzle. And on that 7-day forecast, we are going to be looking at temperatures right around the low 80s for the early part of next week. Slowly seeing our temperatures get close to 90 by the first part of next weekend. We'll be right back.